I just love and highly recommend working with Lindsay. She is amazing. And quite frankly, if I didn't have Lindsay as my 2IC, I wouldn't get half the work done that I need to get done on a daily or weekly basis. The thing I really enjoy is that I can just send her an email, I get a response within minutes, I get an idea of how quickly the job's going to get done, if there's going to be a delay and what the reason for the delay is, or if there's an improvement that she recommends. So I'm constantly being given the best advice possible by somebody who's not sitting in my office. I wouldn't be without her.
Well, dealing with Lindsay is really easy. She's friendly, fast and efficient, and will get to the crux of my problems. It's in an area that I don't know anything about, so it's really good to have that support and know that I have that there. So we do count heavily on Lindsay and Outbox to fix to provide us with solutions.
Basically, working with Outbox has been very straightforward. We outline what we want to do. We speak with Lindsay and our copywriter to make sure what we are going to be able to portray is going to be possible. We draft a text, have it approved, and next thing we know, it's there and ready to go.